Hey everyone, if Microsoft Excel is opening as a blank screen in 2026, you're in the right place. In this guide, I'll show you several effective solutions to fix the blank or empty Excel startup issue step by step. First, close Excel completely and restart your computer. Sometimes temporary glitches cause Excel to open blank. Next, check if Excel is opening a hidden or minimized workbook. Yeah, sometimes the file is open but not visible. Faulty add-ins can cause Excel to open with a blank screen. Disabling them can help fix the issue. Try opening Excel in safe mode by holding Control while launching or using Excel Safe. So this starts Excel without add-ins or custom settings. Go to File, Options, Advanced, and disable Hardware Graphics Acceleration. Yeah, graphics rendering issues can sometimes cause a blank screen. If the problem continues, repair Microsoft Office from Control Panel. Corrupted program files can cause Excel to load incorrectly. You can also reset Excel settings by renaming the Excel registry or profile settings. This restores default configuration and fixes startup issues. If you're using multiple monitors, Excel might be opening off-screen, so try disconnecting extra displays or using Windows plus arrow keys. Make sure Excel is fully updated. Yeah, updates often fix bugs that cause blank screen issues. As a last resort, reinstall Microsoft Office. A clean installation can fix persistent startup problems, and that's it. You've successfully learned how to fix Excel opening blank in 2026. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.